What's up, everybody? It's Larry Valley back again to do a video. Today I'm going to be doing rear brake rotors and brake pads on a 1996 BMW Z3. Same steps and principles could be applied to any BMW and any car for that matter. Alright guys and girls, this is a very simple job. I'm using this instead of brake cleaner. It's alcohol based, and this for the back of the brake pads. Only put it on the back, and then this is for the slide pins. Okay, then a hammer for when I get the brake caliper off, or rotor off, my bad. This gonna be Allen head for the slide pin, 17, 15. So you're pretty much gonna want to take this off right here, this one off right here, and take this cap off. That's where you're gonna find the Allen head key, or Allen. It's actually Moshi. It's gonna be Shop Cat, so it's actually, when I say Allen, it's called actually, but yeah, it's gonna be H7. So you're gonna want to use your 3H drive, or most likely 3H drive with the H7 right here. Take this one off. Take this one off. Take this off right here with the 15. Take this off. And then for another video, or for this video, here's a brake sensor right there. It's just this right here. Comes off from right there. Comes out. It's right there. I've already done it on this one. All it is an H. I think it's a H6. I'll tell you right now, even though I'm not going to do it. Yeah, it's a H5, guys. I'm gonna doing a brake job. These aren't gonna be lubricated. These slide pins like this, but I've just there's one right there. That's what they look like, guys. I'm gonna lubricate all that right there, the whole thing. Using a 15, like a really shallow 15, a wobble and an extension to get these two up. Okay, this rotor setting screw has to come off with the H6. Mine's supposed to have two, but no, this one has this one. A lot of the newer BMWs have two though. Alright guys, so once you get all the bolts off and you're about to wanting to take the rotor off, you have to make sure the emergency brake's off, because the rear parking brake, it won't allow you to it'll be expanded, the shoes, so it won't come off the disc. So make sure you do that, and then once you do that, you're ready to reassemble. You want to make sure you have a brake pad spreader. I'm just using a C-clamp. Press that back in, lubricate. And lubricate these right here. Make sure your disc is clean. Go in and spray the back of your pads with this brake quiet, and make sure you use a new brake hardware, which I have. So yeah. Now since that's on, all the bolts are fastened. And put the brake plug on there. So pretty simple. At the same time, it's kind of not. So I want to get the top in or the bottom and kind of work it back. I'm gonna snap it right back in like that, and I gotta put the camera down to do it. I'll get back to you right now. This to be up here, this one to be over here. So you want to push down right here, pull over here. And it's in. I used the hammer, guys. I just had it almost in. I hammered it in, and it's in. Not going anywhere. Now you want to do the same exact thing to the other side. Correction, guys. The brake wear sensors right here. And here goes to there, right there. The other one I was referring to on the other side is the ABS sensor. I guess I would take one of these 15 off. I just took the bottom one off right here. Now so I'm gonna take this top one off. So what you do is you want to have a wobble socket. Well, let me see. Let's put the bottom to the top. Let's see. I have a little bit different setup. Sometimes you gotta improvise. I might have to use the big ratchet for this. I had to get a 3/8 count. I'm really about to get one. I'm supposed to get one today, but sometimes you gotta improvise. I got it, but having the 3/8 count would have been better. So I'm gonna take this off right here. Bam, that's off. And then also right here, you take that. We have a little bit of wiggle room for the brake wear sensor, and then go ahead and take this off. Sometimes they fling up depending on how you take it off. Big screwdriver for this. Here, pretty simple. All you do is hold on to it and separate it. Make sure you don't mess it up. Unless it's an old one and you're changing it. Like this one's a good one, so yeah, here it is right there. You just take it from the screw right here and it goes in there right there. Inside here. Alright, just disengage the parking brake. When you're just reassembling, you want to take this, you want to put it through here, like that, okay, like that, have it right there. And you want to take this one, you want to set these inside there. what you want to do is you want to take the brake pad wear sensor, wrap it around here, and insert it into here, to that groove. But first, you have to put the 3 fingers inside the caliper piston bore. Make sure they all go in. It's flush. Make sure that the hole is facing this side. Not the hole, but the end for the sensor. And this goes right in like that. And it's gonna go in. I like to put one pad right here, set it on, the other side on, get it all flush like that, and then lubricate these pins right here. Instead, I'm going to put this one right here, that one down there, put some pressure against this, push it up. So eventually you're gonna get it to right here like that. This isn't gonna be completely in. What I like to do is get a hammer under the screwdriver, back of the screwdriver. It's like that, like I said. That hammer right there. All I did was hit that and it went in. Clicked in. These two have to be, that has to be up here, that has to be right here, this has to be in, this has to be in. That has to be fastened right there. This one has to be fastened right here. I'm Mary Valley, guys. Thanks for watching.